Ano ang sabi? Today, balikan natin ang paborito kong kotse of all time. It's a legend, it's an icon, and it looks younger than ever. No further introduction needed. Ito po ang 2025 Honda Civic RS HEV. Let's go! Kung di pa po kayo nagsasubscribe sa channel ko, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Well, what can I say? This is a Honda Civic. Any car enthusiast will tell you that it drives like a dream. Iba pa din pag naka-Civic eh. Kahit mga older models niya, well, alam naman natin na iconic. It is always a head turner. Yung bang mapapasabi ka na pag nakakita ka, that is a Civic. At nakakatuwa na regardless of the trend now that car buyers are looking for, mostly of them are looking for like either SUVs or maybe a pickup, meron pa ring niche sa market ang mid-size sedan. Meron pa ring demographic or customer base na talagang di nawawala yung passion at appreciation nila for the Honda Civic. As we all know that every time Honda comes out with a new generation model of the Civic, nakaka-surprise kasi it looks completely different from the previous model from a couple of years ago. As in, magiging reaction mo sa kanya, wow, this is the new Civic? It is hard not to like it. Alam niyo yun, if money is not an issue and you're looking for a very nice sedan, sporty, elegant, alam mo na this is it. Bibilin mo na siya agad. Pero alam naman natin, very chosen few lang ang merong mga ganyang sitwasyon, yung walang money problems, hindi yan problema. Di wow, sana all. But for most people, buying cars, you will always consider its cost. Magkano siya? Pero mamaya na natin pag-uusapan ang pricing nito. Now, the reason I have mentioned the pricing is because this time, this is not your ordinary Honda Civic. This is a hybrid. I can say it's somehow simple yet complicated at the same time. Kasi very sophisticated po ang engine or power unit na ginagawa dito. 2-liter engine at may electric motor siya. Tumutulong to get that better fuel economy, improve ang emissions dahil hybrid siya, and of course without sacrificing the kind of performance we expect from a Honda Civic. Pero dito muna tayo sa design. As what I have mentioned earlier, pag naglabas si Honda ng bagong edition, mapapansin mo na hindi lang siya basta parang pinayslip. It just really looks new to the eye and to the senses. Previously, the Civic was more appearing having this bulky, curvy design. But this time, looking at this, it's more like, it looks more sharp na hindi naman masyadong galit or anger or fierce ang look niya. Andun pa rin yung mga elements na yun. I feel na parang mas mature ang look ng Civic previously, but this time medyo bumata uli siya para sa akin. It has that look that it wants to go fast all the time. The front grills, I am sporty, massive. You can only imagine talagang sucks all the air it needs in order to unleash the power it has. Anyway, mamaya na natin pag-uusapan yan. I like all the design elements that they have incorporated here in the front. Masasabi mo agad pag nakita mo siya, this is the new generation. Nandun pa din yung striking, commanding look niya. The design here in the side is, I will say, simple yet very sporty. Now, as we move to the rear, alam niyo naman with Civic, it has that big rear and long front. Gagaling ka magmaneho kasi talaga masasanay ka na mahaba yung hood. Pansin niyo dito yung design ng taillights niya na pointed papunta dito sa gitna. It has LED, may repeaters, at pansinin nyo yung spoilers niya, kulay itim. Ang ganda din ng design, very sporty. May shark's fin antenna, medyo kalmado pa ang look with a single exhaust right there, but I guess with everything else, talagang very slick ang design niya. Overall sa design and look, it is just well conceptualized and put together. Ito talaga yung tipo ng kotse na papangarapin mong nakikita sa garahe mo araw-araw. Sa interior naman, I can say hindi naman siguro ganun kalaki ang naging difference niya from the previous model, and that's okay. Kasi with the way the dashboard is designed, talaga namang ang ganda. Hard materials there are, soft. I have no complaints inside the cabin of the new Civic. Kita talaga that from the seats, yan po, leather, setup ng controls around you, may mga control knobs pa rin, ayan, ni-retain po ni Honda yan. Everything you see is ergonomically designed. Sound system is Boss. Siyempre, this is a performance car. Kaya dapat lang yung mga aesthetics, yung mga creature comforts na ino-offer niya, level up experience talaga. As for the front seats, you will have a good seating position, power adjustable driver seats, very comfortable. You won't mind driving this car for many hours. At ang highlight dito, syempre, yung kanyang very nicely designed infotainment system sa gitna. Ayan, angat siya yung centerpiece. And I can say nasakto lang din ang laki niya. And you know what? I can go on and how I feel so at home in the driver's seat of this car. This is really a great experience to be inside this car. Pero speaking of level up experience, ito po ay hybrid edition, sabi ko nga kanina. So ibig sabihin yan, medyo complicated ang setup ng power unit niya. Pero we will make it simple. At tignan natin ang benefits ng system na to in the long run for you if you will buy this car. Basically, it has the electric mode, it has the hybrid mode, and it has the engine mode. Kung saan yung kanyang makina, the engine mode, kung saan talaga nagsashine ang Honda engine na to. And it is a big one. It's a 2-liter engine. The electric mode, yan yung pang stop and go traffic, yung marahan na patakbo, maybe around 20 kilometers. I'm not really sure. Kung mas alam niyo po ito, feel free to comment down below. Talagang gas saving mode ka dyan eh. On this function alone, makikita mo na yung benefits niya. Kasi considering the traffic here in Manila that we experience every day, kaya sulit po yung electric mode na to. Ngayon, pag hybrid mode na, ito na yung pag umuusad ka na ng going up to speed, dyan nasasabay yung engine. Nagtutulungan sila to move the car forward. And on this mode, fuel efficient pa rin. At yung surge ng power delivery, ramdam mo pa rin kahit na hybrid mode siya. Pero pag nasa expressway ka na, nakawala ka na, walwal mode ka na, dito na lalabas yung pagka-Civic niya. Kasi ang gagana na lang dito habang tumatakbo, kasi matulin ka na, talagang yung engine na. Kasi kailangan na talaga yung full power na kayang i-deliver ng engine to get you up to speed. Well, this being a hybrid, meron siyang regenerative braking system. Yung excess energy na nawawala tuwing nabe-brake, naka-harness po niya, nakukuha niya uli, nagagamit niya pang charge ng battery para sa hybrid system. Now with this system in place, we all know that it means that there are more moving parts for this car and definitely it affects the price. You pay a special feature at kita naman na malaki ang maidadagdag nito sa overall value. Lalo na pag tinignan mo siya in the long term, masakit sa bulsa ngayon pag binili mo pero ang laki naman ng benefits na ibabalik sa'yo. And we know Honda engines, this is technology at its best. Sa features naman, well, this new Honda Civic has of course the Honda Sensing. Andyan po yung adaptive cruise control, low speed follow, collision mitigation braking system, lane keeping assist, road departure mitigation, lane departure warning, auto high beam, lead car departure notification. And additional safety and security features, meron siyang keyless entry, lane watch camera, walkaway auto door lock, I like that. Harap at likod, may parking sensors, may multi-view reversing camera, may ABS, electronic brake force distribution, EBD, vehicle stability assist, hill start assist, emergency stop signal, child lock, isofix tethers, at syempre security alarm and immobilize. And apart from that, napakarami pa pong magagandang features na meron sa bagong Honda Civic. At dito po sa Honda Cars Pasig, dito po sila sitting in the boundary from Pasig and QC. Madali naman po makita ang kanilang showroom along C5. Ito po ang price ng 2025 Honda Civic VTEC Turbo versions at ito pong RS HEV. Sa pagtatapos, siguro ganito na lang. Let's say you have all the means in life and if you're looking for a car that you will want to keep for a long time, to enjoy for a long time, and to give you the best driving experience for a long time, yung talaga masasabi mo sa sarili mo, wow, it really drives like a dream. This is the 2025 Honda Civic RS HEV. If you found some value in this video, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Drive safe. I'll see you on the next one.